Winter is approaching fast, and we need to help these bees survive through the cold months. So today, we're going to be building them a better roof, one that will hopefully help insulate the hive. Because at the moment, this roof is kind of just a piece of metal. And we also need to get rid of these ants. Wow, there's a lot of ants. Here I am opening up the hive. You can see that there's a lot of ants on here, but don't worry, we got rid of them. And you can see that the metal frame in this box has some wax on it. This is because we moved a frame full of honey up here to hopefully entice the bees to move up. And as you can see, they've gone and eaten the honey, and there's lots of bees on it. That middle section is where we scraped off some honey to eat for ourselves. Now, the rest of the frames in this box are relatively untouched, so if they don't spread up into this box in time for winter, we will most likely remove it so they don't have as much space to fill, and it will be easier to keep the hive nice and warm for them. In our last video, we built this bottom, so if you want to check that out, go and have a look. This is what it looks like now. Basically, what we've done so far is this is to the shape of the hive already, so we just use that as a template to get the right dimensions for this. And what this does is just slides on top like so. Now what we're probably going to do is add in some foam to help keep the hive warm, and add some metal on top to keep it nice and protected. I've got this bit of metal for the roof. Here we are, adding a bit of craft paper. We're just putting this on to protect the foam and stop it from sweating. Here we are, adding the foam. This will keep the hive nice and warm and insulated. It's time to attach the middle. Alright, here's the final product. This is it with all its metal on, and there's the underside there, so we'll just whack this on this side now. And yeah. Alright, there we have it. It's all on now. It's looking quite nice. It's a lot better than this old rusty just piece of tin, so that should hopefully keep them nice and warm in the winter. Anyway, thanks guys, really appreciate it for watching. See you in the next one.